So one thing that's really interesting to note here is that the remainder that we got when we divided x cubed minus 4x squared plus x plus 6 by x minus 1 is the same as the number that we got when we plugged 1 in for x in this function. That's pretty interesting. This would be a pretty incredible coincidence if it weren't actually caused by something. You'll also remember that when we plugged in 2 to our function, we ended up with 0. And we know that x minus 2 is a factor, so if we divided by x minus 2, we would get 0 as a remainder. It seems like remainders and the numbers we get when we plug in different values for a function are very closely connected. Let's keep going with this idea. So what will the remainder be if we divide the function we've been working with instead by x plus 3? Think for a second about what to do. And now I'll give you a hint. Why don't you see what happens if you just find f of negative 3? You can still think about the connection we were seeing before between remainders and plugging numbers into the function. And then if you want to, double check by doing the long division.